Welcome to our 3D vision guided robotics demo. Here we demonstrate our stereo camera, which is a smart camera. And in this demo, the task is to pick rectangular shaped objects from, for example, a pallet and put them in a nice organized way here on two stakes. For example, if I put an object here, the robot comes, picks it up and places it on one of these two slots. This also works when the objects are tilted or upside down, like this. For that purpose, of course, it has to change the tool. With a suction gripper, you cannot rotate the objects by 180 degrees. So now it picks these items here, places this in an intermediate step on this station over there on the right, changes the tool from a suction gripper to a two-finger gripper. Now it's able to flip the part. And again, with the same vision system, it locates the items here in the box and picks them with the suction gripper to place them finally here on these stakes. To wrap this up, this vision system finds rectangular shaped objects in any orientation and places them correctly. Thank you.